Thought I'd make a little video. I'm myself an idiot and made a mistake with my hot tub. And I have those sponge things, oil absorbers in my hot tub. And the other day I pulled my filters and threw some shock in it. And while I was going to go clean the filters, I was going to allow the shock to circulate. So I threw the pumps on, walked away, and about 2 hours later I realized those sponges are gone. So, and I couldn't find any videos on this, so, and just kind of ideas, quick ideas, if anybody's really had it happen. And so there was none. So I did this all myself. I had to figure it out. You know, it took some initiative, and that's what I did. But I thought I'd share with you. So I know it went down this hole right here, and because that's the one that the when you turn the pumps on, it sucks the most. So I'm thinking this one goes here to the heater for recirc pump, and this one is your air blower pump. And so I know it went down this hole, so I just pulled this side cover off, and I followed this pipe right here, and it goes over there, and it heads off and goes over there, blower pump. This is for the heater and for the recirc. So then I had to pull this side cover off to expose this pump over here. And when I expose, so it comes from right here. So this is the pipe that comes in from under the filter, comes through here, sucks water into this pump, goes out into this header, and then goes out to all the jets in the hot tub right here. So I know I sucked up that sponge. So yeah, so I broke this apart. So I closed this valve right here, close this valve right here. This allows you to disconnect the pipe from the from there. And then if you move this aside and you look in there, what do I see? What do I see? Make sure you shut the power off. But as you can see, there's one. I'm gonna be honest, I lost two, and there's one. So let's be hopeful that the second one is just as lucky. I can feel it in there. All right, there we go. Number two. All right, there you have it. Stupid oil absorber things sucked into your pump. How to find them? There you are. I hope that helps somebody. Cheers. Have a great day. Till next time, we'll do it again.